Hey everyone, I'll be showing you how to animate images using Pika Labs and Runway Gen 2. Today, we embark on a thrilling journey into the realm of animating images and transforming them into visually stunning videos, all thanks to the remarkable power of artificial intelligence. Throughout the course of this video, I am excited to guide you through the intricacies of utilizing cutting-edge tools like Runway Gen 2 and Pika Labs. These platforms are not just tools, they are gateways to unlocking your creative potential, enabling you to breathe life into static images and witness the magic of animation unfold. As we delve into the tutorial, I will provide you with a step-by-step walkthrough on harnessing the capabilities of Runway Gen 2 and Pika Labs. These platforms are not just about generating videos, they are about empowering you to explore and express your creativity in new, innovative ways. By the end of this journey, you will have a solid understanding of how these tools can be wielded to bring your artistic visions to life. However, before we immerse ourselves in this exciting exploration, it is crucial to set the right expectations. While the potential of these AI generators is undeniably incredible, it is important to note that they may not churn out cinematic masterpieces every time. Instead, think of them as powerful experimental tools that push the boundaries of what is possible in the world of digital artistry. So, if you find yourself eager to embark on this creative adventure and explore the dynamic intersection of artificial intelligence and visual storytelling, join me as we dive headfirst into the captivating world of animating images. But before we dive into things, if you have an interest in staying up to date with the latest AI tools and discovering how to use them proficiently, you are on the correct spot. This channel is committed to delivering informative content and user-friendly tutorials. We kindly ask for your support by considering a subscription. Now, let's get started. As we transition into the exciting phase of animating static images, let us delve into the intricate process. To demonstrate and guide you through this captivating journey, I'll be employing a variety of image sources, including Google Images, Midjourney Images, and Leonardo Images. This curated selection is intended to showcase the versatility of the techniques I will be illustrating, emphasizing that with tools like Runway Gen 2 and Pika Labs, the possibilities for animation extend beyond any specific source or genre of imagery. Let us embark on a detailed exploration of the transformative process using Runway ML Gen 2, a revolutionary tool that is reshaping the landscape of content creation by simplifying the conversion of static images into dynamic, captivating videos. Assuming you have already secured an account, let us navigate directly to the dashboard, where a plethora of creative tools awaits. Our primary focus today is on Gen 2, a feature with Runway ML that stands out for its proficiency in crafting videos from images. Upon entering the Gen 2 section, you will encounter a user-friendly interface designed to facilitate a seamless experience. The journey begins by uploading the images we have meticulously saved earlier. Take the first image you have chosen and initiate the process by clicking on the Drop an Image section. As you embark on the uploading process, be aware that the duration may vary depending on the file size. Runway ML Gen 2 goes beyond mere image transformation. It allows for additional customization through settings like upscaling and watermark removal. It is essential to note that the latter feature may require an upgraded account. Moreover, keep in mind that the generation of videos incurs a cost of 5 credits per second. Stay informed about your credit consumption by conveniently monitoring it on the dashboard. Once the image is successfully uploaded, click the Generate button, initiating the alchemical process that will seamlessly metamorphose your static image into a dynamic, engaging video. As the transformation unfolds, exercise patience, for the magic is in progress. And there you have it. Behold the result of the creative endeavor. Your static image has been magically transmuted into a vibrant and captivating video, testament to the power and innovation brought forth by Runway ML Gen 2. As you immerse yourself in the captivating world of animated creations, it is essential to note that the journey doesn't end with the generation of these mesmerizing videos. You have the option to not only view but also download these animations. Simply right-click and select Save, or utilize the convenient download button provided. The power to preserve and share your animated masterpiece is at your fingertips. Now, let us venture deeper into the realm of creative control. Beyond the fundamental generation process, you have the opportunity to exert even more influence over your animated creations. Direct your attention to the prompt box, a space where your creativity can truly shine. It is here that you can input anything your imagination desires: a sentence, a single word, or perhaps a detailed description of the narrative you wish to convey. Your prompt serves as the guiding force for the AI, transforming your words into visual elements throughout the image-to-video conversion process. Once your carefully crafted prompt is in place, click Generate once again and marvel as your static image dynamically responds to the influence of your words. In a matter of seconds, witness the transformative magic as your image aligns with the mood and atmosphere you envision. It is akin to breathing life into your thoughts, translating them into a moving and artistic form. Now, take a moment to compare this newly generated video, influenced by your prompt, to the ones created without this additional input. Notice the heightened level of dynamic motion and expression, a testament to the creative possibilities unlocked by the inclusion of a carefully crafted prompt. The boundaries of your animated creations extend far beyond the initial generation, showcasing the versatility and depth that can be achieved. Adding cues in the form of prompts to your image-to-video projects opens up new and exciting creative horizons. It is a glimpse into the future of this technology, a future that holds immense promise for content creators. As we witness the seamless integration of AI image-to-video conversion into creative workflows, the potential for groundbreaking and innovative projects becomes increasingly apparent. I am genuinely thrilled to observe how content creators will continue to harness and push the boundaries of this transformative technology in their future endeavors. The journey of artistic expression through AI-driven animation is evolving, and the possibilities are truly boundless. Now, let us dive into the innovative realm of Pika Labs, an exciting tool currently in its beta stage, operating seamlessly within a Discord channel. The uniqueness of Pika Labs lies in its collaborative nature, requiring users to contribute prompts to initiate the video generation process. Think of it as a virtual canvas where your ideas come to life through animated visuals. Much like the Midjourney platform, if you are familiar with it, Pika Labs leverages the power of prompts to bring static images to dynamic life. As you enter the Generate channels on the left, you will encounter not only the opportunity to create, but also to explore videos crafted by fellow users, fostering a sense of community and shared creativity. The process is straightforward. Input your prompt and follow it up with /animate while adding your chosen images. Upon hitting enter, the website kicks into action, weaving its magic by transforming your static visuals into a dynamic and captivating video, frame by frame. It is a mesmerizing glimpse into the evolving creation, providing a preview of the final masterpiece taking shape. It is important to be aware that, due to the collaborative nature of the platform, you might experience some wait time, especially when simultaneous users are sharing the same server. In such instances, you may need to scroll through the channel to locate your generated video. However, this slight inconvenience is outweighed by the overall experience that Pika Labs offers. It serves as an enjoyable and captivating tool, especially ideal for those who relish the spirit of experimentation in their creative endeavors. A distinctive feature of Pika Labs is the watermark consistently present in each generated video, bearing the tool's identity. While this watermark is a testament to the tool's origins, it is something to be mindful of when considering the final presentation of your creations. Upon the completion of the video generation process with Pika Labs, you are presented with a seamless option to swiftly download the animated masterpiece to your computer. This convenience not only ensures easy accessibility for any further refinements you might want, to make but also positions the video ready for your audience's eventual viewing pleasure. It is a user-friendly feature that enhances the overall creative workflow, allowing you to effortlessly transition from the generative phase to the post-production stage. As you navigate through this cinematic journey, it is crucial to replicate this download process for each of the remaining image prompts. This meticulous approach ensures the cohesiveness of your narrative, creating harmonious flow in your visual storytelling. Each downloaded video becomes a chapter in your evolving narrative, awaiting your creative touch for the final presentation. Much like the functionality we explored with Runway ML Gen 2, Pika Labs offers the intriguing option of incorporating prompts directly onto the images you uploaded. This adds an extra layer of creativity to your process. Consider this scenario: type /animate, upload the image, and then, on the side, infuse your prompt for the specific image. This could range from directives like zoom in or zoom out to more intricate commands like trees moving if your image features a wooded landscape, or gentle wind rustling for added atmospheric effect. The beauty of this feature lies in its flexibility. It adapts to your creative vision, allowing you to tailor the animation process according to your artistic preferences. Essentially, the prompts serve as a set of instructions guiding the AI in transforming your static images into dynamic visual narratives. The possibilities are vast, and it truly depends on your imagination and the story you want to tell. It is a personalized touch that enhances the level of control you have over the animation process, elevating your creations to new heights of expressiveness. As you explore this avenue of creative control, consider experimenting with a variety of prompts for each image, witnessing firsthand how these nuanced instructions influence the animation outcome. The result is a unique blend of your artistic direction and the AI's interpretive capabilities, producing animated videos that resonate with your creative vision. So, as you embark on this dynamic creative journey, do not shy away from adding that personal touch through prompts. It is where your imagination meets the magic of AI animation. I am excited to hear about your experience. How did it go when you turned your images into animations? Was it easy and fun, or did you face some challenges? What do you think about the final animated result? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below and take us on a little journey through your unique creative process. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helped you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.